Is cordless freedom what your workshop needs? The Bosch brad nailer could be the game changer you've been looking for. Bosch designed this model with both durability and user comfort in mind. The compact body is constructed from high-grade materials, giving it a sturdy, resilient feel ideal for both heavy-duty projects and light finishing tasks. The grip is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold even during extended use. Additionally, at just about 6 pounds without the battery, it's light enough for precise, one-handed use without compromising stability. The integrated dual LED lights ensure that your work area is always well lit, even in dim environments. And the strategically positioned controls make it easy to switch between settings mid-task. This brad nailer's brushless motor delivers a consistent pneumatic-like performance, so you can expect clean, flush nailing without needing a bulky compressor. Its impressive air spring mechanism ensures quick firing, minimizing lag between shots. With 2 firing modes, single shot for precision and bump fire for rapid applications, this nailer can meet diverse needs, from detailed trim work to high-volume tasks. Depth adjustment is easy with the on-tool thumb wheel, allowing users to set precise countersink level for different materials quickly. The tool-free jam release is another standout, enabling effortless clearing of any misfires that could slow down your work. Bosch's Core 18-volt battery system powers this nailer, allowing it to fasten up to 2,000 nails on a single charge with a 4 amp-hour battery, which is particularly beneficial for on-the-go jobs when downtime is costly. The Bosch stands out among cordless brad nailers. Unlike the DeWalt, Bosch's tools offer a simple yet robust design optimized for low recoil, which reduces fatigue over extended projects. Additionally, the depth adjustment and firing mode settings are more streamlined, thanks to its intuitive interface, which offers quick toggling between single and bump fire modes. Compared to the Ryobi, Bosch's model benefits from greater power efficiency and longevity on each charge, making it a suitable choice for professionals needing reliable, continuous performance on-site. Priced around $300 for the bare tool, the Bosch offers solid value given its high-end features and cordless convenience. Though the battery and charger are sold separately, Bosch's AmpShare battery system is compatible across a wide range of Bosch tools, allowing cost savings if you're already invested in this ecosystem. For the best deals, head to Amazon via the link in the description. So what's the verdict? Let's dive into the pros and cons to help you decide if this Bosch brad nailer is the right fit for your toolkit. Cons: no battery or charger included, requires separate purchase. Weight: approximately 6 pounds, noticeable during prolonged use. High price, more expensive than budget options. Pros: cordless operation, no compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges needed. Strong performance, consistent nailing with minimal delay. Adjustable depth, easy thumb wheel for precise countersinks. Jam release, quick tool-free clearing of jams. Firing modes, offer single shot and bump fire options. Long battery life, up to 2,000 nails per charge with a 4 amp-hour battery. Ready to add a top-tier tool to your arsenal? With its cordless power, efficient design, and user-focused features, the Bosch brad nailer is a versatile choice for both professionals and DIYers. Check it out on Amazon using the link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.